Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed property here in Williamstown, New Jersey. And I'm at Friendly Village on 40 Dale Lane. And I have an exquisite, super elegant, super chic mobile home for sale. And it's not like your ordinary mobile home. And you'll see what I'm talking about once you get in it. But you can see how meticulous the seller has kept this property. It's approximately 900 square feet, give or take. It's got 2 beds, 1 full bath, but the real story here is it's turnkey and the seller has thought of everything so you don't have to. For example, planter box. Most of these properties have nothing like this here in Friendly Village. Imagine having a beautiful perennial bed there. Got this really terrific carport here, so everything in nice shape. Got the grass portion here, and you have the vinyl decking here, railing, and it's accented by those uplights which are solar powered. You have a nice shed here with shelves in, and you can put all your stuff. Everything nice and neat. And this is a really nice touch. You have this planter box that the seller installed, and you could have sunflowers, you could have tomatoes on stakes. Imagine your perennial vines overflowing, something that really would make a statement. The composite deck, everything's in really nice, neat shape here, and you can see the sight line with the carport. And be prepared now for sophistication, build off the charts, and just check out what the seller has done with all of the millwork. So the windows are all cased, the flooring millwork is great. This is drywall. This is not what you'd typically find in a mobile. And you have 2 closets here with real hardware, the doors, smashing the whole concept. As you walk down the corridor here, you got a full bath. You got a washer, dryer, shower with the recessed lights, everything in tip-top shape. This floor is ceramic tile, this planking. This is heavy duty, this is the good stuff, and you got it here in this property. The seller, he took the cabinets out and you have this open air shelving. These are all custom cut, mitered, beautiful. You have your butcher block countertops, L-shaped. This stove has never been used, so it's a stainless steel, brand new. And check out the really exquisite faucet. This is a glacier bay. It's got the drying rack here, all top of the line. And how many times have you seen this in a mobile home? Soft touch drawers with the dovetail joints, just super. And the detail continues. You see how the seller's created this shelving here at a 1/2-inch pipe. It's got the flanges mounted into the wall. It's just the vision of what he has created is something that you don't have to think about. You just need to enjoy it, and you'll be able to do that if you buy it. Also, this heating unit, that's not new, but it's been installed over the last few years, so that's something that you're not going to likely need to worry about. You got a breakfast bar, open air concept. You have more tile custom here, and check out this black floor. I mean, it feels like I'm in a New York City lounge. You have 2 electric fireplaces like this on the property. You have one in the other room, and all these flat panels, they're going to stay. You can see more of the detail here with the lighting, just the ambiance off the charts. More beautiful moldings, everything tight. This would be bedroom number 2, the closet and recessed lighting, and just picture perfect. Can I note one thing? The seller has installed these. These are not Home Depot vents, these are cast iron vents. So these will stand the test of time. It's not the thin steel, that's the really heavy cast iron. Makes a difference. This room is something that many of the units here don't have. And you step down into this glorious den and you have another TV here, you have another electric fireplace, and the mood here that's created by the colors. You got the green, you got the black tiles, you got the black floor, and of course, you know, it's a fisherman's delight. The seller wants to take this rack, but if you make the right offer, we could probably leave this included if you have a similar hobby or interest in fishing as the seller did. So this is it. This is one of the most special properties here at Friendly Village. It's 2 beds, 1 bath. It's less than 900 square feet. The property taxes and the water and sewer are taken care of in your monthly lot fee, so you don't have to worry about those. It's quite inexpensive. And you're gonna need to pay cash for this because this is a pre-1976 mobile. So it's a cash sale. You might be able to get financing from Monroe Bank, but it's unlikely. So be prepared to pay cash, but be prepared because this one is so loaded and so chic that I know that the public is gonna love this one. If you have watched our videos before, thank you for returning. You know the value in seeing these listings first. It gives you an advantage in bidding on the properties. But if you're new to the channel, please like and share this and do subscribe to the channel. That really helps get the word out for all the good work that we're doing in broadcasting these brand new listings. And as usual, Joe Wiessner hopes to see you at the settlement table.